September 12th, 2024. A routine traffic stop on a quiet road in Redding, California, suddenly spirals into chaos. What began as a simple speeding violation turned into a fierce confrontation between a defiant driver, a lone officer, and two unexpected citizens who jumped in to help. The driver, Frederick Rick Phillips, a 38-year-old who refused to show his license, insisting he was just traveling. The officer, Brian Cowan of the Redding Police Department, armed with a bodycam that would capture every second of the struggle. Allegations soon exploded online that Phillips was brutally struck over 10 times by police, but the footage tells a very different story. Tonight, we dive into the bodycam transcript, the official police statement, and the mystery behind what really happened that day on Bacelli Lane. Was this a case of excessive force or a necessary arrest gone out of control?
Hi, I'm Brian Cowan, Redding Police Department. The reason I stopped you is you're going about 60 miles an hour on Bacelli as you passed me. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance, please?
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
Okay, we're not going to play that game, sir. So if you don't want to identify yourself, I'm just going to place you under arrest and tow your vehicle. Okay?
I'm traveling right now.
Yeah, we're not going to do that. Okay? So I need to see your ID, and I need to see the registration and insurance on your vehicle, okay? And you're a grown adult, so you're going to make an adult decision right now. Okay? So that's up to you. What do you want to do? Okay, you're going to be placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. Out of the vehicle.
Hey, bro.
Edward 47. I'll take a 1025. Don't.
Trying fucking I got hemophilia, bro. Ow, that fucking hurts.
Don't.
Let me get out.
Don't. Get out right now. Undo your seatbelt. Undo your seatbelt and get out.
I'm traveling, sir.
Undo your seatbelt.
I'm not
get
conducting
out
business
of the
right
vehicle.
now.
You are under arrest.
I'm not conducting
Get
business.
out of your vehicle. Out of your vehicle. Undo your seatbelt. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Undo your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle.
Brian, dude.
Okay?
10-8, call me 85 Edward 47, I think I'm closer.
Undo your seatbelt and get out of the vehicle.
Fuck you, man.
Undo your seatbelt
No.
and get out of the vehicle.
Fucking break my arm.
I'm not going to break your arm. I don't want to. I want you to get out of the vehicle. Do you not want to get your seatbelt off first?
Fuck, bro.
Why don't you just get your seatbelt off and we'll do this
You're fucking
easier.
breaking my arm, bro.
No.
God damn it, dude. I'm not
You're under
conducting
arrest.
business.
You're under arrest.
I'm not conducting business.
You're under arrest. Okay?
No, for what? Show me the magistrate.
Yeah, that's where we're going to go. You don't want to identify yourself, so we're going to do that. Okay? You don't get to do this, sir.
You don't either, bro. You don't get to go in my car and fucking take me out and break my fucking arm.
I'm asking you to step out.
I'm asking you to let go of my arm.
I'm not going to do that.
I can't reach my seatbelt.
You can do it with your right arm.
No, I can't.
You can do it with your right arm. So as soon as the other officer gets here, we're going to pull you out and put you in handcuffs, okay?
Right. For traveling, yeah.
Yep.
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
47. I'll take another unit.
Get off me, dude! What the fuck is your problem?
Go.
Get the fuck off me!
Stop.
Get off me, dude!
Stop.
Get the fuck off!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
God damn it, dude! What the
Stop.
fuck?
Resisting
What
me.
the fuck?
Stop
Fuck
resisting
you!
me.
I'm not
You're
doing
under
this shit!
arrest.
Fucking pull me over there, dude!
Stop
What the fuck?
resisting me.
No, dude! You're
Stop.
fucking attacking me, dude!
Stop.
No! Fuck you, dude! Get the fuck
Stop.
off of me! Get the fuck off
Stop.
me, dude! You stop! Get the fuck off of me, dude! God damn it, dude!
Stop.
No! You fucking stop!
Stop.
You fucking stop!
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not arrested!
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under
You
arrest.
caught me speeding. Give me a ticket so
Stop
I'll be on my
resisting
way.
me. Stop!
I got you.
Stop!
What are you guys doing, dude?
You're under arrest.
Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. What the fuck? You're gonna smash my fucking face, dude.
Stop resisting.
And put me under arrest and fucking
are.
show me the magistrate.
You are under arrest.
Got it?
What the fuck is wrong with you guys? Here, let's get this arm. Okay.
Stop.
You're good, bro. Stop.
I'm burning my face.
Alright. Got it? No, it's on my short. Yeah. This one's not locked in. I got you.
I'm traveling.
Thanks. Nope. My car.
Straight. No knives on anything. I'm traveling right now.
You're traveling to jail right now.
Not in the process of conducting business right now. Take me to see the magistrate, please.
Sit down. Feet in.
Do you have any sanitizer stuff? Wipes?
I don't know if I have any wipes.
Start grabbing witness statement.
Alright, thanks.
What was the guy doing?
Yeah,
So what do you need?
I need to be see the magistrate and show.
Yeah, you're gonna go to jail.
Show my victim. Where's my victim right now?
Me.
I'm just traveling.
Yeah, you're traveling to jail.
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
Perfect.
I'm a private American.
Okay, cool. Anything else? You're under
I'm
arrest?
ready to see the judge.
Yeah, whenever the jail gets you over to the jail or to the judge, absolutely.
I'll be able to see him
Okay.
right now.
Perfect. Good one.
Sounds good. Yeah. All right.
Thanks, brother.
Yep, no problem.
Excellent. You still need some hand sanitizer?
Yeah, if you have some.
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, like
Yep.
blood on my leg.
Cool beans.
Yeah, I saw you. I was driving this way and this guy said, "Hey, needs help," so I pulled over and shit. Oh well. So, yeah, glad I could help.
Yeah, me too. I'm Brian.
Look, my
As viewers, we're left torn. Was this a dangerous driver refusing the most basic laws? Or a man overpowered in a struggle that never had to happen? The bodycam transcript paints a picture of resistance met with restraint. Yet the allegations of excessive force keep the controversy alive. If the courts side with law enforcement, Phillips could face serious penalties for resisting arrest. But if a civil case gains traction, the spotlight could shift back onto the officer and the department's tactics. In the end, it's a story that forces us to question where accountability truly lies, with the citizen who defies the law, or the system sworn to enforce it.